Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to create drop-down list in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. Just for showing you, I want to create a drop-down list for adding date of birth. First, I am creating a drop-down list for date. So just select the date cell. Next, on the top, select Data in the ribbon, and here you find the option, Data Validation. Just click on it. Now in this pop-up, select List here. Next, click on Source, then you need to select data that you want to add in drop-down list. So I want to add dates. So here below, as you can see, I am already created new 3 worksheet for dates, for months, and for years. So just go to Date Worksheet and select all dates to add in the drop-down list and then press Enter. Then simply click on OK. And that's it. When I am select the date cell, and here you can see this arrow icon, just click on it to use drop-down list. Now with the same method, let's make a drop-down list for month and year. So just select the month cell, then click on Data Validation. Next, select List here. Then select Source. Next, go to Months Worksheet and add all months in the drop-down list, and then press Enter. Then simply click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, our drop-down list for months are also created successfully. With the same process, I am creating a drop-down list for year. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can create a drop-down list in Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.